Yo, K-Posse YouTube. Soul Jones back at it again. Another video. Quick unboxing here. Got this in the other day at school, right before I left for spring break. But wanted to get into it, show you guys this quick unboxing. I already cut the box open because it's really hard to do with one hand. But as you can see, Nike sportswear box. Let's check this out. Here we go. Nike sportswear. There's a tag for you guys. Air Penny 5, size 11, royal blue, black, and white. Retail was $165. Wow. There you have it. These are the Memphis Tiger Penny 5s. Sick fucking sneaker. Shoes weren't DS, but they're very near dead stock, so no complaining here. Sole's pretty much still completely ice. I don't think these were worn outside. They are concrete versions, as that shoe girl Katie would say. Shout out to that shoe girl Katie. Yeah, it's a really sick pair. Got that translucent outsole, black Air Max unit, black and white tiger stripes, and the white midsole there, 3M swoosh, blue wings, got that tiger pattern going around the blue upper, 1 cent logo. Tab says the storm is over. Real clean. Insole says ballin' is what I do. Ballin' is what I was born to do. Excuse me. Penny Hardaway signature. The back of the other shoe. Part 2 Heaven Set. And Penny 5 on the insole. So this is a really clean pair. Digging these a lot. Actually gonna hit you with the Jumpman Bostic status straight to the foot game. So let's check it out on feet. Slides on deck, Nike slides. There they are. Nike Air Penny 5 Memphis Tigers. Real dope on feet. Digging these a lot. Shout out again to @YoungFlipper on Instagram. Great price, homie. Thanks for looking out. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. There's more videos coming soon. Soul Jones checking out. Peace.